Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying there is no active fire, look and smell for smoke, open windows if safe. Once you confirm safety, locate the detector and identify its type so you choose the right action. Press the unit's hush or silence button to stop repetitive chirps. This works for many modern alarms and avoids unsafe tampering. If silence holds, monitor the area and make sure the condition that triggered the alarm is cleared before moving on to reset steps. Once the alarm is quiet, proceed to a proper reset. For battery-only units, remove the battery for 30 seconds and reinstall a fresh battery, then press the test button to confirm. For hardwired units, switch off the dedicated circuit breaker before touching the unit. Once power is back, run the device's reset sequence. If unsure, follow the manufacturer's reset procedure on the label or call building maintenance. This prevents accidental permanent disablement and keeps occupants safe. Finish by testing the detector to confirm normal operation. Press the test button and watch for the expected tone. If the alarm won't silence, cycles repeatedly, or won't reset, stop attempts to disable it and call the fire department or a licensed electrician. They can diagnose wiring or sensor faults safely. Make a note of actions taken and consider replacing units older than 10 years. This ensures alarms remain functional and compliance with safety standards is maintained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.